Jai Hind bachcho. In the previous classes, we have heard about differential equation. We are aware with the differential equation. We are aware with the order and degree of the differential equation. Okay. Now in this class, we will study how to solve a differential equation with variable separation. There are 2-3 methods for solving of differential equation, but out of those 3, we will study first in which variables can be separated. Okay, so this is the example of one differential equation. dy upon dx is equal to 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. As its name, you can see easily a variable can be separated here, like dy is equal to 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x into dx. You can see, है ना? कोई ऑब्जेक्शन तो नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम इज देयर, नो वेरिएबल मिक्सिंग इज देयर, वी कैन इजीली सेपरेट द वेरिएबल. नाउ टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ अ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन मींस व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ y फॉर व्हिच दिस इज द dy upon dx. Okay, so that means we are going in the anti process, anti derivative means in the integration. dy upon dx is given, and for what value of y this dy upon dx is, that you are supposed to find the, and that is called the solution. Now integrate both sides. Can you give any idea how to integrate this side? 1 minus cos x. Apply the trigonometric identities. This is trigonometric identities we can use. 1 minus cos x can be written as sin square x by 2, and this is 2 cos square x by 2, and this is integrate here y. So now 2 is cancelled, so this is tan square and x by 2. Okay, now how to integrate tan square? This can be written as sec square x by 2 minus 1, right? Sec square x by 2, do the integration of sec square x by 2. This is tan x by 2 upon 1 by 2, and minus integration of 1 is x, and plus constant of integration is c. So this is 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. This is called general solution of this differential equation. This is called general because c is there, constant of integration is there. If you have any terms and condition by which you can find the value of c, then that solution will be called particular solution. But if you are asked to find a particular solution, then only you will find the particular solution. Otherwise, always find the general solution. So let's try for the particular application 2. Now suppose the condition is given at x is equal to 0, y is equal to also 0. Suppose this condition is given. So put it here, y is 0, 2 tan 0 is also 0, minus 0 plus c. So from here c is also 0. Now you can substitute c in equation number 1. Put in equation number 1. So the particular solution will be y is equal to 2 tan x by 2 minus x. This is particular solution. This is particular solution. Why it is particular? Because it is not